Hi, I'm Debbie. Welcome to my kitchen, the home of Almost Vegan Cooking School. Here is another idea for using turmeric and ginger. This is a morning recipe. We are going to be making a golden oatmeal, an Indian spiced oatmeal using all of those chai spices that we have grown to love. And while the oatmeal is finished cooking, I like to talk about some of the special toppings that are going to complete this dish. Now, I've had so many students tell me, yes, I like oatmeal, but I love putting brown sugar on it because that's traditionally what we've always done. Well, I want to show you how we can make this so healthy and delicious and sweet that your kids won't be able to get enough of this. And these are a few of my tips. First of all, become familiar with Majoy dates. This is the sweetest fruit on the planet. In fact, it tastes like candy. And the Majoy really are the most succulent. And you just chop them up a little bit and put as much as you need into your oatmeal. It has a caramely, delicious taste. When it comes to strawberries in the wintertime, you know, sometimes they're just not as sweet and it makes the kid's mouth pucker. So what I used to do is add just a little bit, and it doesn't take a whole lot, maybe 1 teaspoon, maybe 2, and this is white sugar actually. And I just stir this all up and you let it rest for about a minute and you have this really pretty red syrupy addition to your fresh strawberries. And then in the wintertime, I also purchase frozen blueberries and I zap it in the microwave for about 20 seconds and you'll get a little bit of a syrup there too. And also raspberries, those are the most delicate berry. So I recommend not rinsing them until you're ready to serve them because they have this natural ability to keep the fruit fresh before we indulge. And those are some of the things that you can do with your oatmeal to really jazz up that sweet, wonderful taste without using our old-fashioned brown sugar. Well, our Indian spiced oatmeal is cooking and it's finally done. Well, while it was cooking, I added all of those wonderful Indian spices, this time in a powdered version. We've got ginger and turmeric and cinnamon and nutmeg and cardamon. Well, can you imagine if you had overnight guests and they woke up to this wonderful aroma, especially when it's getting a little chilly outside, and then they came downstairs and you had all kinds of luscious fruits and toppings? Well, I think they would be pretty happy guests and they may not want to leave. But anyway, well, I'm going to serve this up the way I like it. And you have a golden light inside your bowl to wake you up in the morning. I hope you enjoyed this cooking class as much as we enjoyed bringing it to you. This cooking school came to be because there is so much good news to share about a plant-based diet. Become a part of our cooking school family